Happy Easter, guys. I'm gonna be making cookies for the children at church. I'm supposed to be at church at like 10. This wallpaper is not doing me favors, but it's 7:52. I should have started this at 7 actually. That was my plan, but we'll see how this goes. Now, to be fair, making cookies doesn't actually, it don't take that long. I'm making 2 different types of cookies. I'm making chocolate brownie cookies, and then I'm just making like sugar cookies. Both mini teamed, of course. You know when you're recording stuff, no, it's taking a million years. Like if you record and doing something like multitasking, I don't know. It just takes a million years for me. Anyway, the reason I am making cookies for kids at church, I don't actually have a proper reason. I just think that, you know, it's just something nice to do. Last year I had made Rice Krispie treats, and the year before, I think I made cookies the year before that. I might have posted that on my Instagram. I'm gonna post it on Instagram. But yeah, so I'm making cookies again this year. On the topic of Instagram, I don't know, like I want to come back to it. I don't even know, like just in terms of not just posting content, just for coming back. I'm one of those people that, you know when people are like, oh, I'm taking a break off social media. That was me. Never announced or anything like that. I just stopped. Like I stopped using Snap. I stopped using Instagram. And like now it's so hard for me to come back. And it's like I feel like I accidentally became a prioritizing my peace warrior, and now I don't know how to deactivate that. But anyway, yeah, I guess it's whatever. I'm about to mix the sugar and butter. I only have one, so don't judge me. Listen, we don't judge. So I'm gonna mix that up real quick. Honestly, I'm not even the biggest cookie person. It's weird because I do love a sweet treat, guys. I love a sweet treat, like brownies, ice creams, cake, chicken toffee, pudding, cheesecake, all of it. I love it all. And I do like cookies. I'm not saying I don't like cookies. It's just like it wouldn't be my first choice. And I do want to try is crumble cookie. Like this discourse I'm seeing, some people like it, some people don't like it. Let me see for myself. Like, if I ever go to America, I'm doing a food tour. I'm doing a food tour. Like, you're gonna have to roll me back out because the way I'm gonna eat. When they say use 24 hours to ferment, leave an hour. Make that 23. Use some for your family. What's 4 of this? Someone took 1. Someone buy 2 of this. How can someone take the other 2 of this? Where is it gone? Like, it's like, why are you taking stuff? You didn't buy it. You didn't buy it. So why are you taking it? Why are you eating it? Like, don't start labeling my stuff. Like, it's getting out of hand. Anyway, mini eggs in here. And I also got some chocolate to put in, so I'm gonna cut that up and then stick it in. You can hear me over all this noise. She got mic. I don't know. I have a pink mic from Amazon. That's kind of bad. It's kind of shit. Guys, today's Easter. I don't even know. What am I wearing today? I don't even know. Like, do I want to go trad? Tell me this, especially when I go to like a Nigerian Pentecostal church. I never know what days we're wearing trad and what days we're not. Sometimes I come wearing trad, everyone's wearing English. I come wearing English, everyone's wearing trad. Like, well, I don't know. I might do trad. I don't know. Cut all this up, so I'm gonna put it in. Quick mix. Okay, guys. Maybe I was being a bit dramatic. It's only 8:20 now, so I might actually put the cookie dough in the freezer to firm up because I'm only. Oh wait, I want to be at church at 10. It doesn't matter. I only have to be at church at 10. I don't take that long to get there, so I'll put them in. Cookies don't take that long to bake either, so I'll put them in the freezer for about 30-40 minutes. Quickly do the other one, put that in the freezer, and then stick them in the oven right before I go. So I'm gonna go and make the other ones. Yes, I'll be back. Sorry, real quick before I go, this is what it looks like now, so I'm gonna roll it up and put it on the tray and then put it in the freezer. Okay, chocolate ones are on the pans. They're all different sizes, but well, these also look more aesthetic. But yeah, into the freezer it goes. These are ready. I've done the regular sugar cookie, the regular New York style cookies. So I'll put them both on the same tray. They're gonna go in the oven at the same time, same temperature, everything. Same cooking time. Sorry. So yeah, I'm gonna put this back in the fridge to start more. I'm gonna go get ready for church, and when I come back, they're gonna be cooked, ready, or baked, ready to go. It's 10:15, so I'm still here. I still have another batch in the oven, but some are already ready. So this is chocolate ones. I think I want to put egg in it. You see that? These are chocolate ones. It'd be nice with like flaked salt on top, but I don't have any. And then these are the regular ones. So I'm just gonna put them on this and then transport them. So then I'll show you guys the final product whenever I bring it to church. Successfully made it to church, and they still look really good.